This is FineVu X500, a dashcam which is manufactured by Fine Digital. Fine Digital is a well-known dashcams company in South Korea, and FineVu is dashcam's brand of this company. I'll unbox it, and let's see what's in this box. On the top, there is a user manual. There are descriptions of components in the package, how to install it, the key features, and so on. It consists of several pages. And this is the front camera. It is so light. Protection film is attached on the screen. It has 3.5 inches IPS panel. The thing that is stuck in the gray foam is SD card adapter. It is from Samsung. And this is a rear camera. It is also light and small. It supports full HD resolution like front camera. And this is front camera's mount. You can set main unit by using it. Some parts to arrange cable are also included. And this is an external GPS antenna, which is provided as a free gift for a lunch event. This is power cable. It consists of 3 lines, and it also provided as a free gift for a lunch event. And this is a rear camera cable. It connects rear camera and main unit. The last thing is Cigar power cable. You can install dashcam conveniently by using it.